Hi, this is a really early preview of how to generate components from Figma and embed it into Drupal's new experience builder. In fact, they've changed the name today, Drupal Canvas. So this is Figma to Drupal Canvas using Consumer Mesh. It's still at a prototype POC stage, and I'll show you what the features are. So this is a what we do component that was designed out in Figma. There are three responsive variants, one for desktop, tablet, and mobile. This basically is how designers design the experience customized to each breakpoint. Now, using Consumer Mesh plugin, you can run the plugin and generate the code. And what I've done is taken the actual component that was generated and manually moved it into Drupal Experience Builder or Drupal Canvas. Let me show you what Drupal Canvas is. This is Drupal Canvas. You can create pages. Each page can have a layout of components, and all of this is visually building what the site should look like. It's still in early alpha, so hopefully it'll be released in October. So what I've done is taken the component that was generated from Figma and embedded it into Experience Builder. This is the component, the what we do component. It's called XP Content Services here. Let me edit the component, show you the code. This is all generated code. I had to customize a few things because this is JavaScript and what Consumer Mesh generates is TypeScript. But all of this code was generated and that forms the basis for the component. These are all the properties that are available to add as content for the component. So these are called props. And this allows you to customize the content. So let me go back to the page. So this is the desktop preview. When you click on it, you get all the properties. So you can do content management right in the visual editor. And it's reflected right away. You can have the mobile view, which shows the cards laid out vertically instead of in a grid format. So all that is built into the component that was generated by Consumer Mesh. Really excited. This makes a lot of things easy to do. It gives a lot of power to the end user to be able to assemble a page, move components around without requiring developers, which is one of the things that we want to push with Consumer Mesh, is give power to the end user to making changes. So if you want to move this component over the other one, you just drag and drop it. It's that simple. So really excited about Drupal Canvas / Experience Builder and what Consumer Mesh can do. Once we complete the pipeline, when you modify the Figma design and push an update, that update will be reflected here automatically. We should be releasing that pretty soon.